This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate Xiao longbao. We'll start by preparing the dough, which is crucial for these delightful treats. You'll combine 250 grams of all-purpose flour with 170 milliliters of hot water. Knead this mixture for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's wonderfully smooth and elastic. Then, let it rest for at least 30 minutes, covered, to achieve the perfect consistency for rolling. Next, let's create the decadent chocolate filling. You'll make a rich ganache using 8 ounces of your favorite chocolate and 1 cup of heavy cream. To achieve that signature soup effect, we'll add a small amount of gelatin to the ganache. This ensures a molten center that won't run too quickly. Remember to chill your ganache for at least 2 hours until it's firm enough to easily scoop and shape. Now for the fun part, assembling your chocolate Xiao longbao. Roll your rested dough into thin, round wrappers, about 4 inches in diameter, ensuring the edges are slightly thinner. Place approximately 1 tablespoon of your chilled chocolate filling directly in the center. Carefully pleat the edges, aiming for at least 18 pleats, to create a beautiful, tightly sealed dumpling. This technique keeps all that delicious molten chocolate inside. Finally, it's time to cook and enjoy your creations. Line your steamer basket with parchment paper or cabbage leaves to prevent any sticking. Arrange your chocolate Xiao longbao, leaving about 1 inch of space between each. Steam them over boiling water for 10 to 12 minutes. Once cooked, let them rest for 1 minute, then serve immediately to experience the delightful warm, molten chocolate center. Enjoy every sweet bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.